Katanat social welfare kalarai ban thumkam khat sautali ki post thymmai ban pynbha ka jinghshakri ka child helpline habaro ka we ka jylla. Ya kania la pentep da menteri katanat social welfare uba apol lingdo. Uba apol ula penpau ya ka jingkemen ba katanat kan penklan ya ka jingtrekam ka child helpline service ka batep kum iway not khandai pra. Ban iarap ya kinu ki khynnah ki badan kam ka iarap kerki hajalla. Menteri ula ongkat kum ka jingtep jang ya ka child helpline service babaro shikata la pet tang da way unang pet nang khmi hindre da ka jingpen bena ya ka ni ka post thymmai ka ni rap shu ban pynbha ya ka jinghshakri number iway not khandai pra.
Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 as a 24-hour emergency outreach service for children in crisis. The department has activated what is known as Child Helpline Service, and until very recently, this helpline, child helpline under Mission Vatsalaya scheme, has been manned by one person, a child helpline administrator alone. But today I'm happy to announce that we have been able to strengthen this service, the child helpline service, by sanctioning 14 new posts, and these posts will help to make the child helpline service effective. These will include the posts of IT supervisor 1, call operators 10, multi-purpose staff 1, security guard 2. It's a major achievement for this department because after the service was activated in 2019, there was just a lone staff, and you can imagine the success rate of such a service. So now that we have 10 call operators, it means the service will be faster, and complaints, if any, can reach through these call operators at the earliest. And also an IT supervisor with a minimum of 3 years experience in data management, process documentation, and web-based reporting formats. So this is a big leap forward for the department. Kani ka child helpline kadai na banta ki khynnah ki badon kam ka jinghshakri ha ka ba kidon kanu ka jinghshakri nadu ka balong smart medical, shelter, legal aid, emotional support, or guidance. Di nagbanta kini ki borok kajing iarap haliang kaan kajing kersan yaki bat kajing ilam lenti yaki haba kidon kajing small e ngilap play kini ke service bat borok sikata ngidon tang we child helpline administrator and rai mentang sengi asutuna ka ajikiban yang avan itu ip ba ngila sanction sa khat sautali ki post nak benda gani ke service kani ke helpline kaban kentup iway IT supervisor spongun ki banshim ya ki call iway multi-purpose staff kat armut ki security guard de kat child helpline number kadai iway not khandai pra. The helpline number is 1098.